Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your account must meet age and verification requirements, so complete identity verification now. Once done, open Roblox settings and enable voice chat and face camera under privacy and voice and video. Make sure your device grants microphone and camera permissions to the Roblox app or browser. Test hardware immediately with your system recorder or camera app to confirm input and image quality, because fixing hardware problems later wastes time. Next, configure devices and audio options so voice chat works smoothly. In Roblox settings, choose the correct mic, speakers, and camera. Adjust mic sensitivity and enable noise suppression or push-to-talk as preferred. For face camera, set resolution and frame rate that your upload can handle. Once configured, check network bandwidth and consider Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce lag. Make sure other programs aren't using devices, and close heavy uploads to keep audio and video stable. Finally, join a Roblox experience that supports voice and face camera and enable them in the in-game HUD. If you don't hear or see anything, check app and OS permissions again, update Roblox and your drivers, and try switching to a different mic or camera. Once more, restart the app or device if settings don't apply. If problems persist, test in a private server to isolate third-party interference. Rebooting and updating drivers resolves most remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.